Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best soft dog food for senior dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Blue Buffalo Homestyle recipe. Blue Buffalo Homestyle recipe hits the mark for senior dogs' nutritional needs, giving your aging companion the taste they love and the health benefits they require. Imagine seeing your furry friend's excitement as you serve up a can of this natural, chicken-packed wet food. With real chicken leading its ingredient list, Blue Buffalo supports muscle maintenance, which is crucial for older pets. The inclusion of glucosamine and chondroitin specifically targets joint health, which is a common concern for senior canines. It's not just about protein. Whole grains like brown rice fuel them with energy, while antioxidants from fruits such as cranberries offer immune support. Owners who choose Blue Buffalo Homestyle recipe are often looking to ensure their dog continues to enjoy mealtime without compromising on nutrition or flavor, especially important as appetites may wane with age. This recipe sidesteps the fillers, like corn or soy, that sometimes cause digestive issues in sensitive dogs, focusing instead on wholesome ingredients. Packed with minerals and vitamins tailored for older pups, each 12-pack promises consistency in quality and health benefits. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Hill's Science Diet Wet Dog Food. Hill's Science Diet Wet Dog Food for adults 7+ meets the specific needs of senior dogs with a blend that champions both taste and nutrition. Crafted in the USA from globally trusted ingredients, this healthy cuisine offers a sumptuous stew bursting with roasted chicken, carrots, and spinach. Not only does it entice mature Pilates, but it also supplies high-quality protein to maintain lean muscle mass. Perfectly balanced minerals cater to heart and kidney health, which is crucial for your aging companion. We've selected Hill's Science Diet as our number 2 pick, because of its dedication to sustaining the vitality of older dogs. It goes beyond basic sustenance by focusing on easily digestible ingredients crucial for senior pets' well-being. Owners will appreciate how each can help their furry friends thrive with nutrients that support their stage in life, delivering peace of mind along with nutritional excellence. At number 3, we have the Purina Pro Plan High Protein Wet Dog Food. Catering to the dietary needs of older dogs, Purina Pro Plan High Protein Wet Dog Food offers a specialized turkey and rice entree designed specifically for our furry friends aged 7 and up. This high-protein dog food supports senior canines in maintaining their ideal body condition, ensuring they stay active and healthy during their golden years. With real turkey as the main ingredient, this formula provides a rich source of high-quality protein without any artificial colors or flavors. Owners looking for a balanced diet for their aging companions will appreciate that Purina's wet dog food bypasses common fillers like corn, soy, or wheat. Not only does it offer nutritional benefits, but it also caters to picky eaters with its savory pay texture. As pets grow older, having an easily digestible meal like this turkey and rice concoction makes all the difference in keeping them energized and happy. Each can is packed with premium ingredients selected by pet nutritionists who understand what senior dogs need most. At number 2, we have the IAMS Proactive Healthy Aging Wet Dog Food. As our beloved furry companions enter their golden years, they deserve a diet tailored to support their aging needs. IAMS Proactive Healthy Aging Wet Dog Food is crafted with this in mind, offering a palatable and nutritious option for senior dogs. The classic ground mixture of slow-cooked chicken and rice not only tempts the pickiest eaters, but also provides high-quality animal protein that maintains muscle health. Carefully formulated for dogs 7 years and older, Each can of this wet food contains omega fatty acids, which play a critical role in maintaining healthy skin and coats, a common concern among older pets. Moreover, it's packed with essential vitamins to bolster the immune system, promoting overall wellness as your dog navigates through its senior phase. And finally, at number 1, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness Senior Soft Dog Food. Blue Buffalo Wilderness Senior Soft Dog Food packs a punch for your aging canine friend with its high protein content derived from real beef. Tailored to fit the unique dietary needs of older dogs, this grain-free formula skips common fillers like corn and wheat and ditches artificial preservatives for wholesome goodness. The combination of natural ingredients, vitamins, minerals, fruits, and vegetables gives your senior pet a meal that's not just healthy, but also satisfying. Pet owners often struggle to find soft dog food that appeals to their senior dog's taste buds while meeting their dietary requirements. Blue Buffalo Wilderness addresses these concerns head-on by providing a chicken-free option loaded with the red meat flavor dogs crave without unnecessary additives. It's versatile too. Serve it as a standalone meal or mix it in with dry kibble to make mealtimes more exciting. Ideal for those pups who have become picky eaters over time or need extra encouragement to maintain their calorie intake. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.